Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my space, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night. Appreciate you tuning in with me today. Today, we're going to be going over Bitsgap and the crypto trading bots. So a few of you have asked more simple questions than what I've been going over in some of the videos talking about how the bots are performing throughout the month, etc. And you want more fundamental information here. So I'm going to try my best to go through here and explain the Bitsgap trading bots. And so for starters, I suppose, what is a grid trading bot? So everybody's seen like the market and up arrows, down arrows, like you name it. And that's kind of what we're seeing here. Well, basically, the grid trading bot, if I move this over to the side, is trading a grid. So what that means is I've set these parameters up. So whenever you go to set up a new bot, you have to input how much money you're going to give the bot to spend, how many levels deep you are allowing the bot to trade, and some other few options, how big of a spacing you want between your trades, and that all goes into your grid, and it'll print your grid whenever you click go onto the market screen that you see in front of you, just like this. And so if I started mine back here like it shows, then it'll start trading and buying or selling coins as the market ticks up over one of your grid lines or ticks down over your grid lines. So whenever it's going down, it's actually buying some of the coin on the left-hand side of your coin pair. So in this case, we've got the shipping to USD right there. Oh, let's scroll back up. So I've got shipping to USD. That's what we're reviewing right now. And so as the market goes down, all of these green lines you see are more buy orders that the bot has already placed according to the settings that I initiated whenever I started it. And it says that I'm going to buy as low as, what is this, 0.003887 on this shipping bot. And the red lines above the current market price are the sell orders. So theoretically speaking, the bot has already bought some of this shipping coin at a lower price, and whenever it ticks up over those red lines, then it's selling that for a profit, and I'm receiving USD. Going back to the coin pair, so whenever it sells, you're getting this coin. When it buys, going over the green lines, you're getting this coin. Before we go any further in the video, I just wanted to update you guys with some disclaimers that every video should have, apparently, and tell you guys that I am not a financial advisor. Be sure to invest only the money that you can afford to lose. Don't invest any money that you should need to live on, pay bills with. I'm not recommending any of that. And do your own research, guys. All right, stay safe out there. And so you buy more shipping, and then it sells as the market goes up, and you get more USD in the coin pair. So the numbers that you see in front of you are basically, if the market is up or down, you're going to see the sum total profit and loss kind of go up or down with the market. The change in value here will also indicate that, depending on the coin pair. And if you're trading USD, you could also be trading into Ethereum on the right-hand side, or BTC are also very viable options. And then the sum bought profit here in the center. This is how much the bots have earned in comparison to the starting value that you started with. And according to this, I've made 3% so far since the life of the bots that I'm currently running, which is about $119. And then the value of what the bots are trading is worth $3,930 right now. So if the market goes down, I'm obviously going to see this number go down. If the market goes up, this number will go up with the market, unless most of your money is in a stable coin or in USD, obviously. But if it was trading into BTC, then shipping and BTC markets go up, this number goes up. So it depends on your strategy, which coins you want. If you want more stable coins, if you want more BTC in your portfolio. And just to throw out a little bit more information, whenever it does trade, the bots actually spit out most of your earnings into your balance. So you've got your strategies over here that show most of the coins that are in play. So this 3,177 USD is actually over here in buy orders, most likely. And then the available balance over here is coins that are either just sitting in my exchange or profits that the bots have spit out into the balance of my account. And that is essentially how these trading bots work. So I have a total of $3,823 US according to this number over here, but over here it says 3,931. I'm not entirely sure why those two numbers are different, but I know some trades are in lingo at some points in time, but it's odd that I've never seen these two numbers very close, but there is a difference in these two numbers, even though most of the coins here should be in trades. And this is the value that is in the bots. And then you have an extra $683 over here in my account that I could trade with, but I'm waiting to accumulate a bit more to start a third bot. And that's pretty much the basics here. So one thing you can do in BitsGap is you can also go to the trading tab up in the top left, and I don't need the Terran symbol anymore blocking part of the screen for this example. But if you're in this screen and you want to trade, for instance, I don't have to technically go straight to my exchange to trade any of my coins. I can actually do that from within BitsGap. It will allow me to trade some of my coins through the API that I've connected to the exchange of my choice, but through the API, it won't let me withdraw any of those funds. And I don't recommend you allow any API to withdraw funds from any account that you connect to an exchange. That just sounds dangerous and very risky. So basically what I want to show you here is that if, for instance, I wanted to trade this $37 of IMX, for instance, and, sell it for USD or something, then I can click on the IMX. I'll go to IMX USD pair here. And then up in the top right, you would select something like sell. And then we can do 100%. And then sell IMX. And that will sell all 50 of those tokens that are sitting in my balance. If, for instance, I thought I needed a little bit more USD. I don't have to log into my exchange to do that because I've connected Bitsgap. So this is a very useful tool when occasions like that do arise. And then if we go back, let's go back to the bots. I just wanted to quickly show you guys an example. So whenever you do try to open up a new bot and start Bitsgap and start your bot for the first time, it will give you a few options here. They have a new DCA bot, which sounds interesting. DCA is something that a lot of whales and people who've been in the market for quite a while do often and will swear by. So DCAing from a bear market into a bull market is always seemingly a very good strategy that people like to do. So if you believe that we are in a very low bottom of our bear market that we're in right now, maybe that could be a strategy for you. But the S bot, the standard bot, is the one that I use in all my videos and the ones that Dan Hollings teaches in the plan. And that is the only one that I am familiar with and that I'm comfortable with showing off and talking about in any of my videos. So just know that if you're seeing any of my videos, the bots that I'm using are all standard bots. And the settings that you use to set them up are unfortunately not information that I'm able to share on my videos. In order to learn that information, you would have to sign up and pay for the same course that I did, which is the plan through Dan Hollings' teachings. And there is a link in the description below for that. Again, it's called The Plan. And Dan Hollings is the mastermind and genius behind that course. He teaches people all across the globe. They have a phenomenal support staff, training videos. I encourage you to check that out if you're interested in it. But this is the only bot that we use. I'm sure the other ones have some use cases, but not for the purposes that I find intriguing. Anyways, I find the ones that I know how to use and the ones that I've been taught about the most, the ones that are helping me out. And so if it's working for me, I know it can work for anybody else. And as you see here, I've only had these bots running for about 4 days now and 5 hours. But they've already made me $119, over 3% of my initial investment within the last 5 days. And I should hopefully be able to start a third bot here within the next week, and we'll see how that one goes. And so I have, again, put some money in these bots. I had started earlier in the year, but if you've been following the channel, you understand that things happen. And we're back. So we're building our portfolio. We're allowing these bots to do their thing. And this is how we're doing it. So if you have any other questions or are interested in learning anything more about Bitsgap or the plan, please like, subscribe to the video, leave a comment, or join the Discord. Join the Hype Discord and shoot me a message on there and let me know what you think about the video, what you think about the channel. If you enjoy these types of strategies and conversations with the trading bots, or if you want more content on DeFi gaming and NFT gaming space. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video all the way till the end. If you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe to the video below. If you're on YouTube, on Twitch, be sure and give me a follow or subscribe to my channel so you can make sure you're tuned in whenever I go live for future events and videos. I do have other socials like Twitter and TikTok, as well as my YouTube and Twitch. You can follow me along with all 4 of them. And be sure to check the descriptions below. There's also affiliate links and some products and services that I like to promote and that I encourage you guys to check out. Some of them are really great. I have other videos going over most, if not all of the ones that I promote in my descriptions. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Welcome to my own space. 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 Welcome to my own space.